how to fix your Pandora download not working. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection because Pandora downloads requires Wi-Fi. You can simply try resetting your router as well if it still doesn't work. And also make sure that you have Pandora Premium, because without Premium you won't be able to download. Always make sure that you have enough storage on your device as well. And if your application has a pending update, go to your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and update the application. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go to your settings, app, Pandora, and storage, and simply go ahead and clear cache. Once you've done that and it's still not working, you might need to simply restart your device or remove and re-add your downloads. If none of it works, simply go to community.pandora.com, which is their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.